all right. Man, have you ever noticed when you talk to black people about killing each other, or the white man is killing the black people, they get mad. Do you know why they get mad? Because they're lovers of the white people. So when you speak to them about how the black white men killed the black people in the past, those that are lovers of the white people, they get real mad. I'm telling you, they get real upset. You know what they're going to say? Well, black people is killing black people. Of course, black people kill black people. It's bad and it's not too bad. But when another race of people kill your people and you're defending those people, you're just a crazy ass person. Most black people doesn't want to talk about the slavery. They want to forget about it. The white people that call themselves Jews, they're not trying to forget about what Hitler did. They want to remember. But the woolly man or the black man want to forget about what the white man did. Either they want to forget about it because it's so shameful, they cause it to happen. What do you mean they cause it to happen? We are more than them. And there is no reason for it to happen. But by we becomes coward, that's why it take place. Come on now. If we are more than the white people in those days, and we let they go up into our grandfather land, catch the people and take them to different places, slave them, beat them, kill them, cut off parts of their body. You gotta be a coward. So when someone comes up and start to tell you about it, you don't want to hear it. You feel embarrassed. Oh, black men killing black people. We get into a dispute and we fight and we kill each other. That's okay. And it's not okay. And the point what I'm trying to make to you black people, when another race of people kill your people or my people, we should not let it get along like that. We cannot let it go along like that. We got to stand up and we got to fight. Don't fight the woolly man as a woolly man. Dispute going to be there, but the strangers that kill your people, that's who you got to fight against. And when you're scared to fight against those people, you're sissies. You're too weak and you're too helpless. Of course you're helpless. You have no food. You have no gun. You have no medicine. You have no land. You have no language. And all of that shit you depend upon the white man for. And everything that you have is from the white man. Your education, your knowledge, and you're going to brag. And you want to defend him. And you cannot see what it done unto your great grandfathers and grandmothers. What I said in the past is going to happen again. Trust me, it's going to happen again, just like what they're doing in Palestine. Those people are the descendants of us. They came from us with interference. And the European that live into the land of Canaan is going to kill them all. And the American European is not going to say anything. Take my word. That man needs to get out of there, Netanyahu, what do you call him? He needs to leave. And go to a secret prison. And his followers, they're doing wrong. And nobody's not standing up. African people can't stand up. They're weak. Ain't got no food. They ain't got no language. They ain't got no land. Got no medicine. And they don't have any nuclear weapon. That's why they can't do nothing. Nothing, nothing. So when you talk to the black people about the white men killing my people, some of the black people are trying to defend the white man. And by their doing that, we can't get together. Because it seems like it's okay with the white man killing the black people. Why would you defend him? Why would you defend him? He killed your people. He cut off part of their body. He starved them. He worked them from sun up to sundown. It's very simple. Why you want to defend him? Straight up. Because you are a lover of him. And by you are lover of the white man, and someone speak to you about what they did, you don't want to hear that. You want to forget it. The white man that go into Israel, as you call it Israel, he's not trying to forget what the Jews did. Sorry, Hitler did. Hitler put them in the oven. Hello? He put them in the fire furnace and burned them. Is something wrong why everybody want to burn them? But they are European. And they cannot live in Europe. They want to come in Africa and live. And the black man let it okay. He give okay for it. So now, they turn around and killing the African people. And it's been going on for a long time. Look, it's been going on for a long time. And that's some bullshit. If you don't think it's bullshit, check it out. Check it out, black man, if you don't think it's bullshit. You let some other race of people killing your people. And when someone speaks to you about it, you don't want to hear it. No, 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 no. Don't want to hear nothing about that. You know why? Because you're not trying to protect your grandchildren from the hands of them white people. They're not going to change. Look, do you see what's taking place in Palestine? Or you cannot see? or you don't watch TV or watch the news. The leader of Israel is killing people every day. Every day. They kill 6, 8, 9, 10 people. That is not fighting them. They're not killing the fighters. So that should tell you something that they need the land. Look, look, look. Look, black people, look. These white people going to the land of Canaan. They take a part of Jordan, as you call it Jordan. They take a part of Syria, as you call it Syria. They take a part of Lebanon, as you call it Lebanon. And they take a part of Palestine, as you call it. They take all the land. And the people is fighting for the land, and you, the black woolly man, not trying to help. You expect they should not fight. What do you think? You think those people should be fighting for the land? The Palestinians, as you call them, or the Lebanon people, or the Syrian people. Do you think they should be fighting for the land? What do you think? If you think they should not fight for the land, send me an email. It's just like people in Libya. They did not fight for the land, so the white men take it over. Kuwait, the white men take it over. Or you call them Arabs or whatever. But if you really overstand, Arabs are black people. But if you want to go on with your nonsense, as they call it in Jamaica. The four corners of Africa was all black people. Read my lip. There was no hunky there. There was no Indian. There was no Chinese. It was all black people. And we bring forth interference. And by we bring forth interference, we stuck. So by we stuck, you have to stay in your stuckness. Stay in your stagnancy. Because we're not going to come out. We're not going to come out. Respect. Respect, respect.